Hey YouTube, Gunham here. Welcome back to Space Engineer. So, I finished the basic appearance of the ship. So I'm going to go over it at this time. This is a proper battleship. Uh, yeah. It is supposed to be the Ares class battleship to the Daedalus class battle cruiser there. It's not too much bigger, so you know. So, what's it like? Well, large battery up front, some engines mixed. There are all sorts of these heavy guns around the ship. There's here and back there for them a total of 14 heavy guns. These triple 300s. There's dual 300s as secondaries, which a couple up front here. Obviously a large amount here. But the main battery of them is actually this. There's 12 of them right there, and on the bottom, an additional 12 engines. I still need to hook up those hydrogen engines. But on the back, there's also some more hiding right here, guarding the engines, and of course, there's these two right there. I think I'm doing that on the bottom, but I decided more engines, which I've not hooked up, to allow it for atmospheric. And I like this thing where it's like bump, 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 like that. That'll be 30 hydrogen right there, then 38 total because of that. I'm going to stick in another 2 somewhere. I'm not sure where. Maybe hiding on the edge here or something. But I need to make it look good. I don't know. I'll figure that out later. The basic idea, the basic ship is complete. I have a lot to go. I was thinking of adding a few more defensive weapons down here or something and leaving this blank. But the main bottom hangar here is secured, and the main side hangar is not done yet. Obviously, the inside has not been started. Besides the bridge, I've worked on it just a hair, so but I'm gonna leave some chunks of this open so you can modify the ship as you see fit. But I'm gonna do some variable things, so. Obviously, a lot of engines and a ton of defensive weapons. There's several Bofors and a lot of Vulcans are everywhere. Yeah, those are engines. There's literally a Vulcan hiding here, which is nice. But that's a good amount of defensive for the upper section. This on the side is pretty good. Hiding on the bottom here. Hi. This good assembly of guns here, mostly Vulcans, a couple Bofors. Leaving a lot of this middle bit closed. Maybe I'll make this a 6er, so I can call it 20 gun, or 20 engines, because this only has 14 engines. And so if I make that a 6-point instead of a 5-point, then I can, claim quite a few more. They'll shoot over, which is good. Main engines, though, do look kind of bare. There's just a bunch of engines around there, up there. And the main engine assembly here is pretty barren. But it's all big engines instead of little engines. It looks basic. But it's progress. That's the thing. This is progress. I did a little bit of detailing around the engines as well to help. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the hangar, but I'll figure it out. For now, I'm going to consider painting soon, but for right now what I need to do, besides finishing up the bottom, I need to add this other bit of stuff on the top here. These little greeblies and zones there, which I'm going to probably stick that up front here. So, and maybe up to this, or not, probably stick them on the inside here. So that way it looks like it has better cover. Yeah. And that I've saved the spot right here. So that'll be good for that. I'm probably just going to rip it off and slap it down there and call it a day. But progress. Lots and lots of progress. And once I get those engines hooked, the next thing I need to do actually is hook up all the hydrogen engines, because they're not. Oh, yeah. What I need to do is take all of the conveyors and hook them all up. I think I have 5 or 6 different systems, so I need to hook everything up. And then I need to begin working on the massive interior. But I just wanted to finish the exterior first, if I could, then work on the nightmare. That'll be the interior of the ship. Yeah, so I'll have the antenna bits there. That main unit will be there. Yeah. Little by little, it's coming along. It's coming along. Little by little. So, yeah. Yeah, and the whole point of this entire ship was actually because of this new dropship, the big one, which fits very comfortably in this spot. Yeah, I need to add all the color. You can't see anything here, but if it fits very comfortably, and that's kind of the point. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, main engineering. Main engineering is nothing. But hey, at least the ship has several reactors and a couple of jump drives and batteries. But, so technically the ship can move. You know, well, okay, it can move, obviously, but it has FTL. I want to make this atmospheric capable, and I'm not sure on the weight. I'm trying not to make it too much heavier than that. Obviously, it's going to be. But with, I think I might do 3 times the engine. That is 14. So if I do 42, I'm at 38 now. So I make that a 6-point. That'll be 40. Maybe I'll switch this over to be a 2-prong instead of a 1-prong. Oh, what's up in... Oh, yeah, I should easily be able to do... Oh, wait. Maybe not super easy, but it's pretty easy. I can turn that into a true prong unit. So there's a 5 there, 5 there, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then a pair of 6s. That'll work. Or maybe I just stick some engines out here instead. Actually, it makes a lot more sense if I stick the engines here. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. I slap a pair of hydrogen engines there. Maybe for good measure, I slap an ion engine down here as well. That might be a good idea. Oh. I can remove that. Yeah, I have no bottom heavy ion engines. So I need to add a few. Alright. Well, little by little, it's coming along. It's coming along. So, yeah, I just need to finish. I need to hook up the conveyors. I need to finish up all the engines and everything else, and then I can go from there. And greeble up all of the outside to make it look pretty, and then the nightmare, that's going to be the inside. Oh, yeah. Did I show this off? I don't know. I did a double here and then a couple ions. Oh, yeah, I did cover that up to make it look good. It's coming eventually. I need to add several ions to the bottom. Do I have any up top either? No. In fact, that's not very many hydrogen either. I'm probably going to add a few more. Get back there or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But progress. That's the important thing. I've made progress. All right, I will catch you later. Goodbye.